In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use private server commands in Cursed Arena. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to acquire and use Private Server Plus in Cursed Arena. By getting PS Plus, you will be able to do private server commands. So, to keep it simple, all that you have to do is go over to the shop. In here, you will be able to see all the things that you can buy. Just make sure that you switch from yen to items that cost actual Robux or Game Passes. And the third one with this lock icon should be Private Servers Plus. So all that you have to do is purchase it for 300 Robux. So this is the first thing that you have to do if you want to be able to use it. So once you acquire Private Servers Plus, you will be able to use the commands easily by choosing this little gear icon. Now you will notice that on my account, I don't have Private Servers Plus. I apologize, but if you did, you would find all sorts of actions here. For example, the option to spawn another dummy. And all that you would have to do is choose the option from here. Immediately upon selecting it, the effect would take place and you would be able to use the command. If you don't know how to set up a private server, then all that you have to do is choose the experience, scroll down, go into servers, and in here you will be able to create a private server. Keep in mind that even if you have Private Servers Plus, you will only be able to use the commands in a private server that you own. So even if you join these random ones, you will not be able to use it. You have to join a private server that you created, and as long as you do, with the Private Servers Plus Game Pass purchase, you will have access to all of the options as you saw by clicking on the settings icon. You will have things such as spawn dummy, manage the players, manage the awakening, manage cooldowns, and so on, and you will be able to use it to practice and just to have fun on your own server. So make sure that you acquire Private Servers Plus, host a server, and you will be able to use the commands. I hope I was able to help you on how to use private server commands in Cursed Arena. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.